you, the way I feel you, and how I love you, is what you do. And I've never been the type of man to give all that I can. So fast for somebody on my mind, but I guess it's not. Yo, this how I be playing with these beats, cause I ain't got nothing for the streets. Let it be. I was destined to experience sesame, and God love me. The blessings of the blessings of you know what I mean? And now I put these words together cause I struggle right. Niggas see how they came, but I had a rougher life, a tougher night. Always did it on my own. Niggas say they help me out, but they be lying when they don't. Let me hold yourself back with all the hesitation, nigga. Everything I do, it comes from my elevation, nigga. I just had the courage just to stand up and face it, nigga. When I applied that pressure, God gave me greatness, nigga. Cause when you think about how I did and done, you learn what it was and when it was. And then you learn respect for yourself and the others. And you forget them because you know they be buried in colors. And you learn wrong too, so I ain't gonna hesitate. Staying strong in everything I do. Trying to penetrate the game and the mind and chase possession of the bright. And the only ones I'm around is the ones who play the fight. So if you asking God for help and he send your ass to me, I'ma stand and I'ma help you as far as I can see. Once you break me and you lie to yourself, then I'ma leave. And the only thing you do is help me. Remember all the things that I was telling you, baby. I ain't trying to break you down and yeah, it would drive you crazy. But this world was designed to break a man and a woman. Cause the man and the woman is the reason why we living. Why you hating, baby? Why you don't see it in the sign? You gotta change your mind. I was just built to see your problems you be hiding in your mind. Cause I'm gonna break you down with logic and the love that God, yeah. Why you scared of me when promising my name? I was designed to make it easy and help you through the pain. Give you all the love you need and shelter you from rain and rain. And I ain't gonna break you down when you weak and call my name. Just listen to my heart when I cry. Don't break me down with all the old silly things that you play. This be a life that was designed for you and us today. You believe and I believe, and we can switch it in design. We can leave the ghetto, baby, just let me ride. I know that God sent me. Yeah, he sent me here to love you, baby. You already know I love you, baby. You kissing and I hug you, baby. Gripping on your thighs when I be eating on your cat. I'm gonna eat you from some other baby girl. Just relax. Let me rub and kiss you like it's lesbian sex. But this dick is a missile, let it enter no stretching. It ain't my pressure. And I love and aggression. And that connection. Got it feeling like we on the level. I'm cooling me up. Money is up. Time and patience. Bitch, you said you holding me up. Time going slow now. It's like the days getting longer when I'm in your praise. Baby said my power getting stronger. You feel me, the way I feel you, and how I love you, is what you do. And I've never been the type of man to give all that I can. So fast for somebody on my mind, but I guess